Finding the perfect property management software for your business is not a very easy task. There is tons of research that needs to be done before investing in any property management software. Some of the things that property owners and managers must keep in mind when doing research are the features, the accessibility, and most importantly, the price. Even then, there are many choices that offer similar sets of features and are even priced similarly. At this point, it can be really tricky. In order to make this decision, you need to consider the most immediate needs of your property management company. In this property management software comparison video, we're going to be going over 3 prominent choices in the real estate industry: DoorLoop, MRI Commercial, and Yardi Voyager. All of these are very solid choices and are sure to transform the way your business runs and operates, but there is only one that is best for you. Welcome back, Loopers. My name is Sydney, and I'm a content creator here at DoorLoop. Now, disclaimer, I do work at DoorLoop, and this is the DoorLoop YouTube channel, but today I will be sharing with you how DoorLoop compares to other options and how you can make the most informed choice possible for your company. So that being said, let's hop in. The first step in finding the best rental property management software is knowing exactly what you're looking for. Some of the most essential things that you should be considering when looking through your choices are the features it provides, how much it's going to cost, and how they compare to the competitors. Once you have answers to these questions laid out, it becomes much easier to determine which software is best for you. Now, by the end of this video, you should have a better idea of which software should work for you and your property management business. So to begin, let's get into the features each one of these property management software products provides. One of the most important aspects of property management software that is most useful to property managers is its integrated accounting suite. This accounting suite is meant to be a set of tools that renders other financial software unnecessary. MRI Commercial Management includes a wide variety of accounting tools. Some of the tools that are included in the MRI Commercial Management software include the ability to run customer reporting, manage accounts payable and receivables, and general ledger. Yardi Voyager also provides a full set of accounting and property management tools, complete with everything you need to manage your company's financials. The features are similar to those of MRI Commercial, including a fully integrated system to accept online payments. Although this accounting suite may be difficult to navigate, Yardi provides a variety of training, documentation, webinars, and many more things to help along the way. DoorLoop offers a very robust set of accounting tools that grant property managers the ability to manage all financial aspects of their business. Some features include the ability to pay rent online, functionality for tracking income, and the generation of professional online documents. DoorLoop has the best tools to even manage advanced setups, making it a leading property management software. Also, DoorLoop conveniently integrates with QuickBooks, meaning you'll not have to stop using your main solution that you may already be using. A tenant portal is a very unique and powerful feature that provides much functionality to the tenant and the property manager. Some of the features that are typically in a tenant portal include the ability to monitor tenant balances, communicate back and forth, send maintenance request, and online rent collection. The MRI software offers a tenant portal in the form of a feature called Tenant Connect. This feature allows tenants to communicate back and forth with the property manager or owner, provides online sales tools, and increases tenant satisfaction. Yardi's tenant portal provides various features as well. Some of the features include rent tracking, late fee calculation, and tracking retail leases. DoorLoop's owner and tenant portals offer a unique variety of features to the tenant and to the property manager as well. Some of these features include debt collection, online maintenance requests, screening for prospective tenants, and much more. A very important aspect when it comes to managing rental properties, especially residential and association properties, is good communication. It is vital to maintain healthy communication amongst all parties in order to keep up tenant satisfaction. MRI Commercial offers a very convenient and automated tenant communication system that allows for seamless communication between the property managers and the tenants. You can even send voice recordings automatically for things like rent reminders or maintenance request updates. These features are mostly found in the MRI residential management software, as that is where it's used most. Yardi Voyager also provides valuable communication features that allow quick and easy communication between the tenant and the property manager. DoorLoop allows you to communicate with tenants through a variety of means, including SMS text messages, email, and directly with tenants through maintenance orders, allowing for more diversity and communication methods while still keeping everything centralized. This means that you can provide your tenants with personal assistance anytime that there's an issue or a concern. Taking care of maintenance requests is a major part of managing rental properties, as it's the only way you can make sure your properties are always in good shape and condition. MRI Commercial offers a facilities management service that allows users to completely manage maintenance requests. This feature also offers functionality to track all stages of maintenance and generate reports on them. Yardi Voyager's maintenance management system is very similar to that of MRI Commercial, as they both offer the standard maintenance request system that allows you to manage multiple requests at the same time. DoorLoop makes maintenance management something very simple by giving property managers access to a plethora of features to track maintenance requests. Some of the features include automatic maintenance requests, vendor management, complete control over the service, and real-time data that generates requests for seats. The Owner Portal is a feature common in property management software that grants owners access to various reports and lease management. You can also streamline communication among owners with this feature. MRI Commercial offers an Owner Portal where users can manage all accounts and monitor rental income. Some of the tools that form Yardi's Owner Portal include a variety of calculators, quick and easy onboarding, and report generation. DoorLoop gives your owners access to everything needed to keep them happy and informed. They can view and print reports such as their property's balance sheet, income statements, and you can print checks directly from the app. DoorLoop's Owner Portal also gives users access to online marketing where they can list their residential properties and their commercial properties to reduce vacancy. This statistic can be tracked with the vacancy tracking feature of the Owner Portal. Now that you know all about some of the features that are offered by these choices, let's learn about how much these features are going to cost you. An unfortunate aspect of MRI Commercial's pricing is that it's not listed directly on the website. This means that the user must contact the company to find out more about how much they'll be paying based on the property's portfolios and features they desire. Yardi Breeze's pricing is directly listed on their website, but comes with an interesting twist. The price that you'll be paying for the software is based on what kind of property you'll be managing. Some of the different properties that can be managed using Yardi Voyager include residential, commercial, associations, manufactured housing, and many more. With the regular Yardi Breeze plan, you can manage residential and commercial properties. For residential properties, the price starts at $1 per unit per month with a minimum of $100 per month. For commercial properties, the price is $2 per unit per month with a minimum of $200 per month. However, if you have any other kind of property, you must pay for the upgraded plan, Yardi Breeze Premier. The plan for each property type with Yardi Breeze starts at $1 per unit, and with Breeze Premier goes up to $3 per unit with a $400 minimum. If pricing is important to you, DoorLoop's got you covered. DoorLoop's Pro plan comes in at $99 per month for up to 20 units and includes features such as an Owner Portal, bank reconciliation, and a custom website. The Premier plan comes in at just $149 per month for up to 20 units. It includes features such as Gmail and Outlook add-ons, API access, and website portal integration. If you want to see what DoorLoop is all about, you can get a free demo today, and you can schedule that by clicking the link down in the description. After carefully looking over these choices, there's only one that can be chosen as the best all-around software based on user reviews and ratings for real estate professionals. This software provides award-winning support for their customers, very easy-to-use interfaces, affordable pricing, and a robust set of features. So that software that I'm suggesting is, of course, DoorLoop. And like I said, you can get full access to DoorLoop's features for just $49 per month for up to your first 20 units. So make sure to schedule a free demo and get started today with the link in the description. I hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Plus, you can check out this playlist for more software reviews. And if you're looking for a place to connect with other property managers, just join our exclusive Facebook group with the link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!